Where are you going?
Oh, you're taking video?
Yeah. It's like she has trouble using her feet.
Yeah.
Because they're so big.
Yeah.
She's adjusted well to her tag though.
Yeah. Tries to bite it.
Yeah, but not very much.
Yeah, she'll get used to it.
Yeah, I think she's already pretty used to it. Hi. Hi. Hi, little girl. No. Hey.
Ah.
Abby. Abby. Where's your Kong? Where's your Kong?